the fireworks, like in part 2. Yeah, and I'm going to show you all these fireworks, part 2, and these are really cool too, if you saw my other video. And make sure to put a thumbs up on this video. If you like. And make sure that one was cool. Dang, that was a cool one. Dang. No.
Mom?
What?
Can I throw that out? Mom,
What?
can I throw that
Okay.
You guys don't want to do any more sparklers?
I lit that.
Well, yeah, I think they're doing more fireworks. Look. Over there, look.
Yeah, I see.
Mom, let's leave that there so it don't be like dark out,
But I
okay?
have a spark. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Well, I think they're getting some more fireworks. Oh, but we're gonna wait for a
Yeah,
minute.
I think they're getting something.
Yeah.
Maybe they're not getting something. Maybe they're going inside and get
Okay. Dang, I saw some more
Mom,
fireworks.
the
Which one is this?
so bad.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna think about doing some more sparks.
Wait, I know where they are! In the backyard!
What? I don't want you going out because the dog's very freaked out. Wait a minute. You probably can't see him from the tree. There's a big
Yeah, I feel bad for our puppy. He's freaking out right now. Yeah.
Wait a minute. They might get more out.
What is that moving thing? Those moving fire things.
Oh, those are lanterns. Like, remember the lanterns that we did on Aunt Tiffany's birthday?
Oh yeah, for people who passed away. Those lanterns.
We have for all kinds of things, but yeah, what?
Look what they're doing!
You see the fire? Yeah? You see the fire thing in the
Yeah.
sky, Gabriel? Yeah. That's cool, huh?
I saw two.
No, I did too.
Oh yeah, those lanterns things.
Did too. People must have passed away.
Or they use it for different kinds of stuff too.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh, there's a half of a moon too.
Whoa, this is
Oh yeah, I think they're doing more. Oh, I saw that. I saw that. Oh, look, I saw that. That would be bad if it hit the power line.
Yeah, I think they probably know what they're doing. What?
Okay, I went that those people have a Okay, I'm ready. Mom,
What?
you hear that? You see that?
Nothing. Just having fun with fireworks, just like you.
Oh, look at those popping things.
Mom, those
What?
people are putting fireworks close to the ground.
They're like popping things or something. And we were doing sparklers too earlier. We were like doing this and stuff.
Look, guys, look. This is Look, back there we go over there.
What? I'm just watching you.
The going fireworks. Fireworks. Why do you want to fireworks?
You can do some sparklers, honey.
Huh? You do one? You do one?
Hold on.
Do you have any more?
There's one in my hand.
Dang. Those things are cool.
Hold it up again.
Oh, it's hot.
That's
Okay.
Want to see my pictures that I just posted?
Yeah. I took a little bit of good pictures of fireworks too.
Mom, maybe I.
But I have to show you later. I'm doing the YouTube video, part 2 of epic fireworks. In my
Here, Mel.
You do it?
Yeah. piece.
Sure.
Oh yeah,
Mom.
Grandpa's birthday party.
Hey.
That.
Yeah.
Mom, guys, what about you make a YouTube channel?
Oh yeah, that. One of those. Oh yeah, the blur effect.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, they're doing more.
You like
That one's cool. And then like that one.
Okay. It's going to be some more. And
Yeah,
you-
huh?
Mom, what's the comment?
Here, Gabriel, I'm ready.
Okay, go in. At least we do have some fire. Mom?
Hold
Well, you're going back in.
No.
They're probably done.
Mom,
What?
it's like windy. Oh, you see that?
So it's June 1st right now.
Hold it and then hold it with me.
Oh, I want
end
to
of it.
do it.
We're gonna do
Oh
it
yeah,
together.
these sparks.
Oh, why do I have to do it?
Fun to watch me do
Okay, take the YouTube channel.
I am. I'm still.
it. Take a YouTube video.
Yeah. I might even do a spark right now.
G A B R I E L.
Like,
What does that spell?
Gabriel.
Yes. S N E L. What does that spell?
Okay. There's another fireworks coming. More coming.
Point, okay?
It's not done yet.
Mom, what might get you? But you see that? Now it's coming on the ground. You see that?
They're probably on the good stuff.
No, Mom, don't